How to make Instagram private. So let's get started. First of all, you would only be able to do this if you have a personal Instagram account. So you wouldn't be able to do this if you're in a professional or business type of account. And the first thing that you would need is to log in here into the Facebook app and then tap on the profile icon here on the bottom right. Once you're here, tap on the three horizontal bars here on the top right. Next is that you want to scroll down until you see the account privacy option, which is this one. So you just simply want to tap on that. And then from here, all you have to do is basically just toggle on the switch here on the private account section. And this would pop up. It says switch to private account. And you'd be able to see what would change. Only your followers will be able to see your photos. This won't change who can message and so on. And you just simply want to tap on switch to private. And just like that, your account is now a private account. And that is basically it for this video.